In this video guys, I'm gonna show you how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic just in few minutes. I will make this video super easy and simple for you guys. So let's get started. So what you need to do, so first step guys, is you should have an account on Amazon affiliate like this one. So okay, as you can see, I just created my account and it's showing $0 in commission. It's still new account and I want to share with you how I will promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Okay, so as you can see, you should have an account like this one, like I said, with Amazon Associate. What if you don't have, go to Google, search for Amazon Affiliate, click on this link over here on Amazon.com Associate. As you can see, the sign up process is really easy and simple. It will take just a few minutes from your time. You just need to follow a few steps and that's it. Okay, after you finish, this will be your Amazon affiliate account. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to go to Amazon. Okay, so go to Amazon.com like this. Okay, and you need to choose the product that you want to promote on Pinterest. Okay, so let's choose one of those products. For example, I'm gonna choose, okay, so let me see, let's choose, for example, I'm gonna choose, for example, this one. For example, I'm gonna click on this product like this. So just click on the product that you want to promote like this, as you can see, and you will be directly in this product page on Amazon, as you can see. So what you need to do now is you need to copy your affiliate link for this product over here. Okay, so what you will do, you should see over here Amazon Associate. Okay, so you should see this bar, but you should have Amazon affiliate account if you want to get like this bar over here. Okay, so you should already created your Amazon affiliate account. So what you will do, you will click over here on text. Okay, and here you go, this is my Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so what you will do, you will copy this link. So what you will do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. So go and open business account on Pinterest, not personal account. You need to open business account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you need to do is you just need to click over here on home feed and click on create pin. You will be in this page. What you need to do is you need to upload your product picture. So what you will do, you will go back to Amazon, to this page, click on this picture for your product, double click, save image. Okay, and I'm gonna name it, so for example, Amazon like this. Go to Pinterest, click over here and upload your picture. Okay, so so let me see, should find your picture. This is my Amazon product picture. Click on open and here you go, like this. Scroll down, you should see over here link, put your Amazon affiliate link. This is my Amazon affiliate link. What you need to do now is you need to put title, description. So go back to this seller page and you are just an affiliate marketer with Amazon. You can use his title. I'm gonna copy his title. Let's go to Pinterest and they will put this title over here. It's too much long, so I'm gonna delete this. Okay, like this, description. I will go back to this Amazon product page and scroll down. Okay, so just scroll down. So let me see. We should find product description. Yes, if you scroll down, you should see over here product description. Okay, so copy. I'm gonna copy just this part, guys, to show you because it's too much long. You will go to Pinterest and I'm gonna put this description here. Scroll down, click over here on choose board. You can click, so if you are new, you should see over here create a board. I'm gonna click on create a board. I'm gonna name it Amazon create, Amazon one, for example. And here you go, click over here on tags. Okay, so you need to put tags that are related to this product so people can find your product on Pinterest. So what you will do, you can copy those keywords that are in your title. You can use those keywords as tags. Okay, so put those keywords here like this, and here you go. What you will do next, click over here on publish, and your Amazon affiliate link will be published to Pinterest. It's really easy and simple, guys. Make sure to choose trending products, search for trending products. Okay, so you can get commission and you can make a lot of money with Amazon affiliates. Okay, and here you go. As you can see, this is my product title, my product description, and my product picture. This is my affiliate link over here, Amazon. Okay, if people click on this affiliate link and they buy this product from me, I will earn commission in my Amazon affiliate account over here. So you should see your commission here. Okay, so that's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.